Right, me and Russia are going to take a walk to the Ffynone Waterfall. Google Maps doesn't show the car park up to clearly or ways, but what we'll do is just have a quick look where I am and where the car parks are. So here there's like an overflow car park, a little car park, and just up there on the left hand side is the entrance into the car park. Oh, there's another entrance here. So if you come up this way with me now, so this is sort of the main car park. So there's my car there, and what you need to do is walk up to the corner and go through the gate. So I'll follow this up and I'll show you how to find the waterfall. It's an easy walk, it's fairly level to be honest. I have got my Wellingtons on because when we get to the waterfall we can go for a little splash. Okay, so this is the path we're going to go up, and there's the car park there. And what do you say, Russia? She's just interested in a walk. So it's approximately, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. It's an easy walk. So we're going past the river down here on the left hand side. It's quite dramatic banking. I don't know if your camera's picking that up or not, so come on. So I don't know if you can hear the water. So there's a bit of a weir ahead, and there's like a bit of a lake. So we're not too far from that now. So just through the trees there, then you can see there's a lake, and there's a path here. So it is possible in a minute to veer left, and you can walk around the lake if you wanted to. But we're going to the waterfall today, so come down here. And in front you'll now see a track here on my right, so we go past this and we're going up towards the house on the left that you can see. So you come through this gate, there is a little sign, and if you see here it says, there's the waterfall. Here you go, Russia. So we're going to go up this path here. So you can go left, walk around the lake, and that will bring you to the waterfall. So that's a longish walk. Well, this is the easy way to get to it. So you sort of come past this house here and continue down the path. On the right, I believe these are old kennels here. So I heard somewhere there was an estate here that I think they had hunting dogs or something. I'm not too sure how true that was. I heard somebody talking about that. And then I don't know if you can see everything behind me, but yeah, look at all the trees. It's a bit quietish today. I don't know if there's going to be anybody down the waterfall, but here can get very busy. So if you come in holiday times or a weekend, just be aware that it's quite a popular place. Right, so keep on walking down here. Amazing old trees. Look at the canopy up there. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. So still at the moment. I'm walking into the sun, and just down the bottom this like sort of valley. Look at this here. And that's sort of where we've just come from. See up here, look at this. So it's also, it's not an anniversary, but a milestone over the last several months. So it's 2 weeks today that I will be back home for winter. I will have finished my seasonal 7 months in West Wales at Dolbrin as a campsite warden. I'm not sure how the time's gone, but yeah, returning home. So what we are going to be doing is leaving the caravan, unpacking everything. So leaving the caravan at Dolbrin on the campsite, unpacking everything, and running back home, get everything out of the car all packed away for winter. Then on the Thursday, heading back down, picking up the caravan, bit of a road trip up to Bala, and Bala for a couple of nights, just as a bit of a mini break, and then back home and caravan in storage, and that probably won't be coming out until Christmas. Right, anyway, let's have a look at this path we're on here now. So walking through this cut, the bird song. Rash is doing lots of sniffing, aren't you, Rash? Russia, what are you doing? Lots of dog smells. Go just round this bend here. Down the path we go. Rash is leading the way, ain't it, Rash? Come on, good girl. Right, come on. So as you go up around this bend here, there's a bit of a den and there's a bit of a bench. Every time I've been here, there's people been, I don't know, just stood here looking at it. Anyway, that's just here ahead. Right, so coming around this bank here now, and you can actually hear the waterfall. So that's looking up the bank here, and it looks like it could just be us here. Yay! So people come here swimming and paddling and picnicking. So yeah, we've got the place to ourselves. This is a bit of a miracle. So here we go. Now we come on down, and you've got a little bench here. So the level's quite low at the moment. I'm just going to try and put Rasha down 1 second, because she doesn't like the water, do you, Rash? Let me put you here in a minute. Right, you stay. And here, I'm not going to go too far because it's very deep. But you've got the waterfall here. Oh look, Russia. So you do get a lot of people coming in here swimming. Right, so maybe come back here one day, go for a swim, eh? Oh, freezing cold by the looks of that. So what we'll do, I'm just going to have a quick sit down for a couple of minutes on the bench here, because I think these people have gone now. And just show you where this other little bench is. So coming up here. Over here you've got a bit of a clearing. It's a bit of a den. Campfire, lemons, and a little bench. Right, so there we are, me and Rasha. That's 2 weeks in West Wales. Hope you've enjoyed our little walk to the waterfall. If you like that, it'd be fantastic if you could give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. You can subscribe down to my channel down here below, you know how to do that. And if you want notification when I upload a new video, go and hit that notification bell, and you'll get notification if you subscribe to me. Thanks ever so much for watching, and you know what guys, we're going to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.